case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Supreme Court of the United States made a pivotal decision in 1974 in the case of Parker v. Levy that delved into the freedoms of military personnel. The case centered around Dr. Howard Levy, a physician and Army captain who was court-martialed for publicly urging African-American soldiers to refuse orders that may send them to Vietnam and refusing to conduct dermatology training for Special Forces aide men. He further stirred discontent by making derogatory comments about Special Forces personnel, leading to charges under Articles 133 and 134 of the Uniform Code of Military Justice, which address conduct unbecoming an officer and conduct prejudicial to good order and discipline, respectively. The Court of Appeals initially held these charges as too vague, necessitating a new trial. A turn of events came when the Supreme Court recognized that military customs and practices imbue meaning to these allegedly vague standards. They held that Dr. Levy's refusal to obey a written order to conduct training was more than a mere neglect of duty. The pivotal and defining aspect of the case came down to the interpretation of the First Amendment regarding free speech. While the Court of Appeals initially held that Levy's controversial statements were protected under the First Amendment, the Supreme Court later reversed this decision. They affirmed that free speech rights in the military could be limited in the interest of maintaining discipline and order. Therefore, Dr. Levy's conduct was deemed to be not only detrimental to discipline, but also unprotected by the First Amendment. The case did not end there, however. The final decision was sent back to the Court of Appeals for further scrutiny. The Supreme Court wanted the lower court to delve deeper into Levy's alternative attacks on the sentence imposed by the court-martial. Thus, while the initial charges were upheld, the outcome of Levy's sentence remained uncertain.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.